we're going to be using the butter for my hair. It looks like ice cream. Smells really good. I can't wait to try it on my type 4 hair. It's past 10 p.m. or probably to 11 p.m. So I need to do all of this on time because I have to wake up early tomorrow to go to work. Let's get started. I have to take down my cornrow and then do a low bun, something of that nature. Let me just, once I moisturize my hair, I'll have an idea of what I want to do. Like if I want to transition into a low bun, or I want to do another cornrow, maybe like 2 cornrow, one here and the other one here. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and keep on watching. I'll be sharing a discount code for when you want to purchase your own product. You can get 10% off. And I will continue to introduce you to amazing products that you can try on your own hair. Hi everyone, it's Imari here. I cannot believe that I literally disappeared for 3 weeks. Trust me, it wasn't intended. So much has been going on behind the scene, but I'm super excited to be back, and hopefully I can stay back because I really miss you guys. Today, I'll be showing you how I'm going to transition from my cornrow to a bun. A brand called Fohali was kind enough to send me a gift package. They wanted me to try their butter, see how it does for my hair, and if I like it, I can share it with you guys. And that is what I'm doing today. And trust me, on my channel, I keep everything 100% honest. No lies. So I'm going to be telling you exactly how I feel about the product, giving you my honest review as a type 4 girly, and tell you if it's going to work out for your own hair. So first things first, you see this cornrow on my head. This will be the last time I'll be doing this style, because while I was taking my hair down, I really struggled with the matting, the knotting. It was really crazy, and it's not a healthy routine. It's not a healthy practice, especially if you want to retain length. So this will be the last time I'll be doing this style, especially on shrunken hair, because if it were to be on blown out hair, then it would have been easier for me to work with. But I did this on shrunken hair. You know how I love to not use heat so much. But guess what? Currently, I'm thinking about using heat. Not so much, but I want to keep my hair stretched, because keeping my hair stretched is better for my type 4 hair. I do not enjoy my hair getting so, like encouraging the shrinkage, because what happens at the end of the day is my hair is going to end up being matted, knotted, and I would have to trim off so much more than I should. Was I able to manage the situation? Yes, especially with the use of the butter. But will I do this style again? No, I'm not going to do this style again. I'm going to look for other styles like the one I'm transitioning into. It's so much better for my hair. So after successfully taking down the cornrow, my goal was not to detangle my hair. My goal was just to moisturize my hair and then put it up in a bun. So first thing I did was to spritz water all over my hair, make sure that it's hydrated, and then I applied the butter to my strands generously, like the instruction card stated. Blue is such a fun color. The way the color deposited on my palm, I was ready to be one of the Smurfs, the blue guys, or Avatar. I'm sure the avatars would love this product. But trust me, it melts into your strands. Your hair is not going to be blue. If you want to change the color of your hair, you can get colors that you can, temporary hair colors that you can use to do that. But this one will melt into your hair. I really enjoy the texture of the butter on my palm and also on my hair. So on the instruction card, it states to emulsify. So like what I'm doing right now, when you put it on your palm, make sure you rub it together. That's the emulsification. I would check Google to make sure I'm saying it properly. My cornrows lasted for a week. It was Not so easy to do because I have really long strands. Took me a while to install them, but it was really perfect for not having your hands in your hair throughout the week while I focus on other things and other areas of my life. It lasted for a week, and now I am transitioning into this bun. So one thing I do is if I know that I'm going to change my style maybe after a week, I make sure that the first time I'm doing a style, I do not use excess product on my hair, because what happens is when you want to transition into another style, at that point it's either your hair, is dirty, has a bit of smell to it because of all the product build up plus your sweat and everything, and then you would have to wash your hair, not transition into another style. But at this point, I did not have any product build up. My scalp was still clean, which is why I was able to do this style. What makes this butter different is the fact that you can use it as a hair mask and as a styler. I'm currently using it as a styler in this video, but if you wanted to use it as a hair mask, then you would have to use it on damp or freshly washed hair. And then you apply the product generously into your hair. Cover with your heat cap. You see the blue cap I wore from the beginning? That will be your heat cap. And then you can sit under a hooded dryer or just steam your hair with your heat cap, whichever works for you depending on your weather. Yeah, and you leave it for 30 to 40 minutes, rinse with cool water. That's how you use it as a deep hair mask. But if you get the product, the instruction card comes with the product, so you don't have to worry. You will always understand how to use the product. A quick tip for you guys: the reason why the butter is so effective is because it has a cumulative effect. So while you see immediate softness, the real magic happens with consistent use. The more you use it, the healthier and more manageable your hair becomes over time. So it's all about the long-term moisture and strength. This style is meant to last for another week, after which I will wash my hair. And yes, I am going to record the entire wash day. And we're all done. Let me ask you guys, at what point did you notice that I did not use any gel? Leave your answer in the comment section. I'll be posting the wash day video, so I'll be seeing you guys same place next week. Bye.